Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazhan and I'm from UTM Perak, Campus Tapa. And today I will present to you guys about general in chemistry. So first is objective. Objectives of this topic is to identify meaning of atom and the structure of atom, to identify what is atomic number and mass number, to identify the meaning and example of element, define isotopes, molecule and compounds, and to define ions and to identify the charge of ion. These are the definition of the subtopic that we're gonna learn. And the first one is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that retains the characteristic properties of that element. And for element is a substance that cannot be broken down or separated into smaller parts. And for the molecule is an aggregate of at least two atoms in a definite arrangement held together by chemical forces. And compound is substance made up of two or more different chemical elements combined in a fixed ratio. And for the last one is ion, which is an atom or group of atoms in which the number of electrons is different from the number of protons. And for the first one is atom. They are submicroscopic, which is means they are too small and cannot be seen with a microscope. Atoms are made of three subatomic particles known as proton, electron, and neutron. Nucleus contain proton, which is positive charge, and neutron is neutral charge, while electron is a negative charge surround the nucleus. As you can see the picture on your right, there's an electron shell, and at the center of it has nucleus that has proton and neutron. Next, for the atomic number and mass number. These are the difference between atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of chemical elements in the periodic system, while mass number is the number of protons plus with number of neutrons. Atomic number of an atom is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of atom. For the mass number, is usually located below the element symbol. These are the formula to count atomic number. Atomic number is then equal to the number of proton, while mass number is equal to the total of proton number plus neutron in the atom. And as you can see at the picture below, there's a element helium, and at the top is an atomic number, and at the bottom is atomic mass. Next is element. Element is formed by the combination of atom only. We can refer any element on a periodic table. Same element is same number of proton. Example of element is helium, zinc, sodium, and aluminium. These are the symbol of common element that you need to remember. And next one is isotope. Isotope is an atom with the same atomic number but with different mass number. Most elements have two or more isotopes. Isotopes have a different number of neutrons. Isotopes have similar chemistries, forming same type of compound and displaying similar reactivities. As you can see, there's a carbon. There's 12 carbon, 13 carbon, and 14 carbon. These are the carbon isotope. And the next one is molecule. Molecules are formed from chemical combination of atoms and it combined in specific ratios to one another. For example, water, which is H2O, has three atoms. First one is two hydrogen and one oxygen. But water has two types of atom, which is hydrogen and oxygen. So basically, this is mean that uh, water has three atoms, but has two types of atom. It's a different thing. And the next one is compound. Compound is when the elements come together, they react with each other and form chemical bonds that are difficult to break. Compounds can only be separated into their pure component, which is element, by chemical means. For example, when the elements sodium, Na, and chloride Cl combine, it will form the compound NaCl or salt. These are the other examples such as lithium fluoride and copper 2 sulfate. And for the last one, which is ions. Ion is an atom or group of atoms that has a net positive or negative charge. Neutral atoms can gain or lose electron and become charged. The charged atoms are known as ions. There are two types of ion. So for the first one is cation. Cation is an ion with a positive charge. If neutral atom loses one or more electron, it will become cation. And the second one is anion. Anion is an ion with negative charge. If neutral atom gains one or more electron, it will become an anion. That's all from us.